So hello guys, welcome back in my new video, and in today's video I will show you how to download Red Hat ISO as well as the full setup of Red Hat Linux RHEL. So firstly you need to go in any browser and type Red Hat download, then go in Red Hat developer, this website, click on download Red Hat Enterprise. After going in this website, you will see many type of ISOs. In red, you can see download Red Hat, no cost. Don't see any of this. Just scroll down. After scrolling down, you will see various types of ISO present. Okay, so you need to choose any one. There is the latest released ISO, which is a beta version. Don't download that. It is not stable. It will not support your system properly. The most stable and which is good to use is 8.4, the version 8.4 and 9. These two is stable for every type of system, either you are in Linux, Ubuntu, Debian or Windows. Okay, so firstly just scroll down and you will see 8.4 Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8.4. Click on that. You will see various types of ISOs. One is for bootable. Just scroll down again. After you will see the DVD ISO, boot ISO, again a DVD ISO, ARC64 and ARC64 boot ISO. Okay, that is basically for Mac, I think, but we need the x86-64 DVD ISO. Okay, so which is 9.43 GB. Okay, around 10 gig. Then click on download. After clicking download, you need to fill the login credentials, your login and password. Okay, which you need to make. Okay, I will make a dedicated video on how to create account in Red Hat Enterprise. Okay, which is useful for your registration also. After clicking, you will see that the download is automatically started. Okay, after downloading, you need to open your VirtualBox or VMware, any type of hypervisor you are using. Okay, click on new. As in VirtualBox, we need to set up the name first, so I am giving it as Red Hat. Okay, after that select the ISO image. You need to select it from others. Just choose the ISO image, which is RHEL 8.4 x86-64, which we downloaded. Okay, after that skip unattended installation. If it's there showing in your Windows screen, then please skip this. Okay, then click on next. Then you need to choose the type of RAM and storage and all. Okay, click on next. So this name is already taken. I am giving another name here. Okay, yeah, then now it will take, I think, yeah, base memory is there. I will suggest you to give at least 4 gig. Okay, 4 GB of base memory, and processor must be of 2 CPUs. Okay, then click on next. After that you will see the hard disk space. I will suggest you around 85 or 100 gig. Okay, accordingly you can give 85 or 100 as per your storage. Then click on next. Then you can see the summary here, the hardware, disk and machine name, OS type. I have allotted 4542 MB RAM. Okay, click on start. After starting, you will see the screen which will show you to boot in. Okay, then you will see that English. You need to select the particular language. First you need to right click and capture this particular captcha. It will show you, then only it will work. Okay, either your cursor will not work. Okay, so click on continue. After clicking continue, you will see that your suggested language is selected and the suggested place, country accordingly is selected. Okay, I am going with English and United States. After that you need to wait for some time. It is the first time, so it can take some time. Then make the root password here. Okay, click on root password. You can click here in root password, which is showing to set up a password. You can set here particular password. Okay, or else you can do this earlier also. You can do it in further in the next steps. You can skip this. Okay, so I'm not skipping, I'm just giving the password which I required to do. Then installation destination. Okay, click on that particular portion and then select your standard disk, which is 85 gig, which we have given just now as in storage. Okay, so wait for some time. Again it is filled, it has not detected that particular storage. Again click there, again go in that VVox hard disk and again click on done. Wait for some time, and yeah, it's done. Yeah, begin and click on this and then preparing for installation. It will take some time. So for this ISO you need to download the ISO from the website. Okay, so for that you need ID and password. You need to create an account. Okay, Red Hat account. So for creating an account I will prepare a video which will come after one day or after few hours. Okay, as if I include those particular details of creating account, then the video length will be increased. Click on reboot system. Okay, after clicking on rebooting system, then the system will reboot again your RHEL will start. Okay, so here you will see if this is coming as in your screen, then you have done successfully the correct things as I have shown in the video. If any error is coming, then you have done something wrong. Okay, after that you will see that your Red Hat is there, Red Hat Enterprise. Then it will start accordingly. Till now if you have done, then you are in correct path. Okay, click on license information, then choose I accept license agreement. Click on the tick and then click done. Okay, if you want to read, then you can read this. Now click on user settings, user creation. Okay, click on user creation, then you can set your full name, username, password and confirm password. Should know the username and password. Okay, accordingly then click on finish confirmation. After that give your password and log in into the system. Okay, after logging in you will see that the screen will display you this and it will ask for register the system. I will make another video on how to register this and how to create an account. The register part and creating account is linked. Okay, for registering you need an account, RHEL account. Okay, click on off or on as per your wish, then click on next. I will skip this. So you are ready to go. Okay, we have downloaded the RHEL and we have set up the RHEL successfully. So thanks for seeing the video. If you are facing any problem, then comment. Meet you in next video. Bye.